Good morning, really well beings. It's 6:30 and here we are, having woken up and had a nice cold shower, a nice glass of water and a little bit of movement and connecting with my body. I'm now connecting outside with nature, and I do that at least 3 times a day, so I try and do it when I wake up, after lunch and before bed, just so that I connect in with something that's slightly larger than me, that holographic part. Simply connecting. You can see the frost on the windscreen of the car. You can hear the sound of the stream. The dawn chorus and the hum of the rest of humanity driving along a road at a distance. And, pardon my poetry, just looking up, you probably can't see it in the darkness, the symphony of the stars. Feeling deeply blessed. Hope you enjoy this. I wish you all the best. Bye for now.